One of the best and the challenging project that I have made is the real-time chat application. On the front end, I used React to build component-based user interface, which makes the application modular, easy to maintain, and React Router for the client-side routing to handle pages like login, sign up, and the main chat screen without page reloads. For the chat and the global state management, I use Just Stand because it is lightweight, simple to use, and more efficient compared to the heavier state management solutions. It helped me to manage users' data, active chats, and the messages and the connection sockets states effectively. The UI style using Tailwind CSS along with Teji UI, which allow me to build clean, responsive, and consistent interface quickly around the application. I also used Lucid React for lightweight and modern icon, and the React Hot to build real-time feedback to the users such as login success, errors, and message status updates. And for the API communication, I used Axios to interact with the backend securely and handle HTTP requests and responses effectively. For the real-time communication, I implemented WebSocket using socket.io, in which once users are connected, they join a specific chat room, which allow them to send and receive message instantly without the need of refreshing their pages. This setup ensures low latency communication and smooth real-time chat application. Now coming to the backend part. On the backend, I used Node.js and Express.js to build RESTful API for the authentication, users chats, and the messages. And for the database, I used MongoDB with Mongoose because it is documented and document oriented structure fits well with the chat based application such as conversation and the messages. And for the security and user password are hashed properly, I used Bcrypt.js, and JWT is used for the authentication. Now coming to the challenges, one of the main difficulty was I that I faced was implementing the real-time messaging and managing the socket.io connection, ensuring that the messages were delivered only to the intended user, and handling chat room logics require careful and event handling and room management. I solved this clearly structuring the socket events and synchronizing socket logics with the authenticated users. And another challenge was the front-end state management. Since the chat application involves multiple global state such as users data, active conversations, and the messages and the socket connections. To handle this efficiently and avoid prop drilling, I choose Just which simplify the state management and improve the overall performance and the authentication of the application.